Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica, and as I said in my last video, I will have another unboxing. This time it's gonna be BOXYCHARM for April. I just received the box today and I decided to finish with the videos because tomorrow I have another video, the samples of the week, and usually during the week it's kind of hard for me to film. I just don't have the time, so I went with 3 videos in a row today. Let's see what's in the BOXYCHARM. As I said in my last video, I have 2 giveaways open. If you're new to my channel, welcome also. If you wanna enter those giveaways, I will leave the link down below so you can check them out. And let's see what's in my BOXYCHARM for April. So here is the box for this month. And I know BOXYCHARM comes with variation in boxes, so I have no idea what's in mine. I know what are the items that come in each box, but I don't know the variation. Here is the card, and also there are 2 coupons here for Dr. Brent and Tarte between April 15 and May 15 with 10% off. And the first product in here is for Dr. Brent. It's vacuum cleaner, pores no more, pore purifying mask. Is this one? I believe this one is a full size. Let me see if I have the prices here. About this one, the full size of this one is $47, so not quite on the affordable range, but anyway, if it's a good one, why not? It's this award-winning pore refining mask. It's an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening what's in here, the look of pores, and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. So $47 for this one covers already the box. I would say double, because the box is $21 per month. So good to have it here. Dr. Brent, it's a brand that comes often in BOXYCHARM boxes. Then I have in here, and it seems like all the products are full size. Then we have from Adese high definition liquid lipstick. And about this one, luxurious creamy long wearing liquid lipstick, provides the dazzling, if I'm saying right, full coverage of a lipstick with the easy of one applicator, made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for long lasting brilliant color and intense shine in a single sweep. Cruelty free, gluten free, paraben free. This one is a $24 product. It's a full size, and because it comes in and this one is in the shade, let me see if I have a shade here. It doesn't say, but because it comes in the box and it has the seal here, I'm not gonna open it. I will leave this one away for a future giveaway. Then was the second product. Then we have Tarte Yes Pro Glow from Tarte, and this one is a liquid highlighter. About this one, do I have information here? I don't think so. Oh, yeah, it is. It's from Tarte Yes Pro Glow liquid highlighter. Glow like a goodness with the creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrate pigments. Pales are suspended with the hybrid gel cream, oil-free formula that can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity. Infused with rose water, it slips softly onto skin and keeps moisture in with squeezable packaging to put the highlight exactly where you want to. So this one is in the shade Spankler, if I'm saying right. Let's see how this one looks. And the full size of this is $29 and looks like this. So Looks like this. It's really pretty. It's in a peach tone and it's already dry. So this is as formula is a good one, I believe, because it's not that one that moves your foundation and everything you have under. Also the color is very light and nice, buildable also, and this one, as I said, it's a $29 product. So then we have in here, we have this guy is the Brow Girl, and this one is from Tonya Cruz. This is the instant brow hair in shade 02. Tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural feel in the brows. Is this one, as I said, this one is in the shade brown hair 02. So another great product in here, a full size of that, it's $22. And the last product in here, as I can see, it's an eyeshadow palette from ColourPop, Golden State of Mind. Looks like this, really pretty packaging, and here is the back of this. I never tried ColourPop products. I have some lip products, but I never used eyeshadow. And this palette, highly pigmented shadow that applies evenly and feels ultra velvety and silky. This long wearing formula contains a unique combination of softer powders which adheres easily to the eyes, gives a soft focus effect and blends smoothly and evenly. This one is a $26. Also we have on the back the name of the shades. You can see them better here, and inside of this, and this one looks like this. I will probably have a separate video reviewing this palette, because there are 15 shades, I believe, in this one. So I will do a review for this in my next video, probably maybe right after this one. So yeah, that's all in my BOXYCHARM for April. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon, probably with this review for this palette, ColourPop Golden State of Mind. So far, as usual, I like the BOXYCHARM for this month as the other months. We got the full size palette. We have the Tarte's Pro Glow liquid highlighter, which is really pretty. We have the Brow Girl. This one is the instant brow hair in shade 02. We have a full size also lipstick, which I'm gonna let this one open for a future giveaway. So far I do like the box this month. As I say, we have 2, 4, 5 products. Great value for this one. I believe this one is way over $100. The price of this is $21. So well worth it to get this palette. As usually, to get this box, as usually, I will leave the link down below, just in case if you wanna subscribe from them. I am not affiliated with them or anything like this. I just wanna make it easier for you if you decide to get this one. So also, just a reminder, if you wanna enter the giveaways, please check the links down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in a little bit for me, probably, I don't know how long for you, with probably that palette review, because I just have it here, so it's more easy for me. You have a great weekend. I'll see you soon with another video, as I said. Take care. Bye bye.